User lockout is an essential part of keeping your computer network secure. But how can you quickly find out which Active Directory user accounts are locked out? One way to do it is to create and run PowerShell queries. However, there is an easier way to do it. In the next minute, I will show you how to get lockout and other Active Directory reports you may want with minimum time and effort. Active Directory Fast Reporter by albusbit.com is a free and simple to use tool that allows you in less than 15 minutes to get a complete picture of what's going on your Active Directory network. Just head over to albusbit.com and download Active Directory Fast Reporter. Next, install the application, connect the respective Active Directory accounts, and now you can see the status of every user group, user, or computer on your network. Head over to Account Status, select Locked Out Users, and you can choose the level of details you want to see in your report. Next, click on Generate, and there you have it. Moreover, all this is included for free. Now, if you require more advanced features, such as scheduled automated reporting, archiving reports, and advanced reporting fields, you might want to consider purchasing a Pro version. Pro version is designed for more demanding reporting requirements, and it provides in-depth information about Active Directory, as well as possibilities to schedule report generations and store reports. All reports are easy to export in CSV, Excel, or HTML formats. The premium version starts at just $199 US, and you own the software forever, no monthly fees. That includes guaranteed bug fixes and updates and priority email support. I invite you to head over to albusbit.com, download Active Directory Fast Reporter right now, and see how easy and fast you can generate your reports.